Hey, I'm Adam, and today we're going to talk about contract lifecycle management, or CLM. We'll cover with what you need to know about CLM, from the benefits it brings to what you need to know to get started right away. What is contract lifecycle management? It's managing contracts from creation to expiration, managing renewals and storing them in a safe and secure place. CLM is streamlining the contract experience for everyone inside your organization from top to bottom. What are the benefits of contract lifecycle management? Well, think risk reduction, cost savings, improved efficiency, better collaboration, and enhanced visibility. It's a game changer inside your organization. What are the phases of CLM? Well, there are 6. There's the drafting phase, the review phase, the approval phase, the execution phase, the performance monitoring phase, and last but not least, the renewal or termination phase. Each phase plays a vital role in contract lifecycle management. What are the industries that can benefit from proper contract lifecycle management? Well, all of them. Seriously, any industry that you can think of can actually benefit from using CLM or CLM software. Financial services, tech, wholesale, manufacturing, GOs, and more. It's a versatile, valuable, and it really spans industries as well as borders. Track and report, ensure compliance, maintain open communication to ensure that everyone who is involved in a contract knows what's going on during the contract process. Establishing clear processes, defining roles, set up a contract repository are really industry-wide best practices. Finally, when you're considering which CLM software to choose, there are a few things to consider. Automation. Is it going to automate any processes inside your organization? Cost reduction. Is it going to save you money and or time anywhere? Compliance and support. Is it legally compliant, meaning can your organization use it without getting in trouble? Or support. Does using the CLM tool support your existing workflows? Or if you're implementing it, are you going to get support from the company who you're buying it or using it from? Insightful analytics. Is the data inside of your contract lifecycle management software going to be used to gain you insights in any areas, such as sales forecasts, hiring forecasts? Really, the data inside your contract can be used to accurately predict other areas of your business. Last but not least, compatibility with your existing workflows. Meaning, are your contracts or your CLM tool, is it going to integrate with your existing workflows and your existing tools? If so, then that's a sign that you should be using that CLM tool or another tool that more strictly or more closely adheres to the way you currently work. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more about contract management and how to use Oneflow, check out our hack videos. Otherwise, you can go to our website, oneflow.com, and get a free trial. There you can use all of the benefits, the premium features that come along with Oneflow, and you get a 2-week trial.